Okay, we are still on our mathematics basics. Today we are turning our attention, the board must attend attention to multiplication, the board must thing. So multiplication is what we are going to do today. Multiplication. Numbers you multiply are called factors. And the answer is the product. So like 47 becomes a factor, 63 becomes a factor, and 141 becomes what? The product. Okay, so now let's just do our quick example. Example 1, 47 times 63. Okay, how do we do it? Start with 3. Start with 3. Write down the last digit, i.e. 1. So 3 times 7 is 21. Put the 1 here and carry first digit of 2 forward. So write 21 here, carry the 2 because it's 21, carry the 2 forward. Then do your 3 times 4, which is 12, plus 2, which is 14. Have your 14. Then after that, then multiply 6 through, write down only 2, shift it 1 step to the left. So you do your 6 times 4, which is 42, write down the 2. Then the remainder of 4, do 6 times 4, 24, plus 4, which is 28. So your answer becomes 1692, 2961. So final answer. That's the last step. Okay, let's come to our example 2. Multiplying decimals. First, they say if you are multiplying decimals, the trick is ignore decimal point at first, multiply the numbers as usual, then place the decimal point in the final answer so it has the same number of decimal places as the original numbers, combined. Example 1 or example A, 2.5 times 4. Note 2.5 has 1 decimal place. So the answer is 2. Okay, ignore decimal place. After the ignore the decimal place, after the answer, then you come and add the decimal place. So 2.5 times 4, ignore the decimal place, so you get 25 here, times 4, which is equal to 100. Then after that, add your decimal place. So the 100, bring it here, add your 1 decimal place, so eventually you have 10.0. Very simple for the decimals. Okay, now we turn our attention to GCSE math question, past math question. Question 1, write down the value of 5 index minus 3. Very simple to do. The answer, okay, you go to the answer here, 5 index minus 3. You change it. Note, 1 over any number changes the negative index value to positive. So this is a negative index value. If you want to change the index value of minus 3 to become what? Positive 3, just express it over 1. So 1 over this one changes, becomes 5 cube or index 3. 5 index 3. So 5 index 3 is just 1 over 5 times 5 times 5, which is equal to 125. So the answer is 1 over 125. Okay, question 2, very easy. Write down the value of 5 index 0. 5 index 0. The answer is equal to 1. Because note, any non-zero value raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So any number, whether it's 5 or 6 or 7 or 10, once it's raised to what? A 0 index, the answer should be 1. So note that one. Very easy, very simple GCSE question. That's it.